Looking for the complete programming handwritten notes PDF? You're in the right place. This collection contains premium handwritten programming notes covering the most important computer science subjects required for college exams, coding interviews, placements, university exams, GATE, NIMCET, GRE, SAT, LeetCode preparation, and software engineering. Subjects included C programming notes, C++ notes, Java programming notes, Python notes, HTML notes, JavaScript notes, SQL notes, DBMS notes, data structure and algorithms DOS notes, operating system notes, software engineering notes, Microsoft Azure notes, machine learning notes, NodeJS notes, complete C Handbook. These handwritten notes are easy to understand, exam-oriented, beginner-friendly, and suitable for quick revision before semester exams, coding interviews, placements, and competitive programming. Useful for exams worldwide: GATE, G, NIMCET, TSNet, b.tech, ISRO, JRO, GRE, SAT, Amazon OA, Google Kickstart, LeetCode, UCAS, Cambridge coding tests, HackerRank, university exams, ACM-MICPAC, coding competitions, programming and technical university exams. Why choose these notes? 100% handwritten, easy language, quick revision, exam-oriented, interview-ready, printable PDF, mobile-friendly. Download the complete programming notes PDF and boost your coding journey with organized, handwritten study material. If this resource helps you, like, share, and subscribe for programming notes, handwritten fans, coding resources, and exam. Why you'll love these notes. 100% handwritten and well organized. Easy to understand. Quick revision format. Exam and interview focused. Mobile, tablet and laptop friendly. High quality PDF files. Instant access. After successful payment, your download will be available instantly. No waiting, start learning right away. For personal educational use only. Please do not